Today in this propositional logic lecture 5 I shall discuss about algebraic laws of connectives and disjunctive normal form. Okay, so the logical connectives or, and, negation, implies, etc. obey the following laws. So there are 8 laws here I have written. So P or P is equivalent to P, P and P is equivalent to P, idempotent laws. All these laws you can prove by truth table. Okay, this is equivalent. You know that when A is equivalent to B, when the truth tables of A and B are same, at the time we can say that A is equivalent to B. So with this with truth table you can prove the laws. Number 2, P or Q or R is equivalent to P or Q or R. Then P and Q and R is equivalent to P and Q and R. Change of bracket. This is associative laws. Then P or Q is equivalent to Q or P, and P and Q is equivalent to Q and P. This is commutative laws. Then Roman number 4, P and Q or R is equivalent to P and Q or P and R. P or Q and R is equivalent to P or Q and P or R. So this is distributive laws. P and Q or P and R. P or Q and P or R. So this is distributive laws. So next, negation P or Q is equivalent to negation P and negation Q. Negation P and Q is equivalent to negation P or negation Q. This is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law means negation P or is when it is or. So here it is and is coming. Here also and is here it is and sorry or is coming. So and negation both sides. Okay, so this is De Morgan's laws. Next, absorption law. P or P and Q is equivalent to P. P and P or Q is equivalent to P. This is absorption laws. Then P or any contradiction is equivalent to P. P or any tautology is equivalent to the tautology. P and any tautology is equivalent to P, and P and any contradiction is equivalent to the contradiction. Then number 8, P implies Q is equivalent to negation K implies negation P. This is contrapositive law. So next, negation of negation P is equivalent to P. Next is normal form, disjunctive normal form. So what is disjunctive normal form? A compound proposition P is said to be disjunctive normal form DNF of R simple propositions P1, P2, ... pair if the expression P can be expressed as P equals to P1 or P2 ... or Pn, where each Pi is conjunction of some of the simple propositions or their negation without any repetition, and no Pi is contained in any Pj, j is not equals to I. Example, P equals to P and negation R, or negation Q and P and R, or negation P and negation Q. So here you see, in case of disjunctive normal form, inside the bracket there will be and, outside the bracket there will be or, inside the bracket there will be and, outside the bracket there will be or. Okay, so this is disjunctive normal form. Now one example we are doing, right? DNF of this. P implies P and Q implies P. So here we are using truth table by which we can, that means, calculate the DNF, disjunctive normal form. So how? So there are two variables P comma Q. We are making the truth table P comma Q. Then Q implies P. Then P and Q implies P. Then P implies the whole thing. Okay. So here there are two variables. So 2 true, 2 false, 1 true, 1 false, 1 true, 1 false. Then Q implies P, you know how to calculate. Then P and Q implies P also, you know how to calculate the basic truth table of AND. Then P implies this thing, P and Q implies P. So this implies truth table, you know, true implies to true, true implies to true, true, F implies F, true, F implies F, true. So here when we calculate the DNF, you have to mark the answer, that means in the answer column of T, you have to mark T, where the variables are taking T. Okay, so here this there are 4T in the answer. So 4T we are marking, and also here the variables are P comma Q. You mark the variables, what the variables are taking. Now how to make DNF? You see, you know, inside the bracket there will be and, outside the bracket there will be or. So there are 4T, so 4 bracket, 4, that means 4 brackets we are getting, 4 brackets. So here for this T, P and Q are taking true, true. So P and Q, they are taking as it is, P and Q. Or for this T, P is taking true, Q is taking false. So P I am writing as it is, and since Q is taking false, so I will write negation Q. Then or for this true, it is F and T. So since P is taking F, so I am writing negation P and Q. Q is as it is because Q is taking true. Then for this true, P is taking F, Q is taking F. So negation P and negation Q. Okay. So in this way we can make the DNF using truth table. Another example I have shown you here. P and P implies Q. Again, we are making the truth table P comma Q. P implies Q. P and P implies Q. Here I am getting ultimately T, F, F, F. So here for DNF you have to mark the T, capital T. Where the that means the answer is T. We mark it. Now you see for this T what the variables are taking. The variables are taking true, true. Since the variables are taking true, true, I am taking the variable as it is P and Q. So this is the answer DNF. Okay. So up to this much today. Next class I will teach you what is CNF, conjunctive normal form. Also, so conjunctive normal form also can be used, can be calculated using truth table. Okay. So and this is the DNF. How by using truth table, how to calculate DNF I have shown you. Okay. So thank you very much.